Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the sky effect. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footage to the timeline, then find a point where you want to change the sky. For our footage, that is this moment. Then make a snapshot. After that, open Adobe Photoshop or any other editing software that you got. Then click on this quick selection tool. Then select the sky. As you can see, it was not precise and we will do this custom. After that, add a new layer. Select the brush tool, then choose the black color. And color the area we selected previously. After that, click on the eye icon and unselect the background layer. Then go to File and export it as a PNG. Now click on the second clip and select Mask. We need to import this mask that we've done in Photoshop. Now select the invert mask. Adjust the bar strength a little bit. Then below, we need to put the footage that we want to appear as a mask. I've chosen this stranger filter from Elements. To make it more cool, let's adjust the coloring of the footage a little bit. Adjust the saturation to -55 and the brightness to -65. Also the tint to around 28, and the contrast to -43. The saturation is better at -3. Now let's adjust the bar strength so it looks more natural. That's it for this video, guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.